Hey teachers, I just wanted to share with you a tool that I am using pretty regularly with my remote learning, and that is the Google extension Screencastify. So if you've not used Screencastify, I would strongly recommend that you try it, and I'm going to show you hopefully how to get that set up. So up here in my tool area or my window, here's my URL window, and here are my extensions right here. And I have Screencastify already pinned right here. Notice it has the red dot. That means we're recording right now. But if the red dot wasn't there, it would just be like an arrowhead orange arrowhead pointing to the right. But I'm going to go here to the puzzle piece, which is my extensions here. And this lists all the extensions that I have here in my Chrome browser. So I'm going to click Manage Extensions. This also shows me what I have already ready. But if you don't have Screencastify already, which would look like this right here, then you're going to click over here on the menu. I clicked on the little three menus, and I'm clicking down here to open the Chrome Web Store. And I'm going to simply put that in here. I'm going to bring it up right here. Obviously, mine is added right here, but if yours is not added, you're simply going to click Add to Chrome. Okay. Once you click Add to Chrome and open it up, you're going to want to set it up with the Google account that you want it to be associated with. So, for example, my Screencastify is not associated with my personal Google account, but it is associated with my school Google account, which is this one right here. Okay. So make sure that you have that up here, the account that you want it associated with. Okay. Now, once you do that and you're ready to record, you're simply going to come up here to the extension and make sure that your Screencastify is pinned. In other words, the thumbtack is highlighted. And that's going to automatically throw that right up here to where your pinned extensions are. And you can get that very, very quickly. You're going to click on that. And then I'm going to show you what that looks like for you. When you click on that, it's going to go ahead and open up a window that looks like this. This is after you've already set everything up and you have make sure that you are logged in with the account that you want to use. Okay. Again, I strongly recommend that you do not associate this with a personal account. So you're going to have a choice. I always choose desktop because it just gives me the most flexibility. Obviously, like Teams, you could choose browser tab, or you could just do your webcam and just record you talking, right? And then I pick my microphone and I pick the webcam that I'm using. I do not do any show more options because I'm 53 and I want it simple and I want it fast and I want it effective. And then I simply click record. So when I click record, it's going to give me basically the similar screen that you get when you are doing Teams and you need to share your screen. So you're going to click I always click your entire screen. When I click it, it's going to highlight it in blue like this, and it's going to light up the share button here at the bottom, and I'm going to click share. Once you click share, it's going to start counting down, and you'll see it, and then it's going to ding, and then you're ready to record, okay? So for example, I use it to record what I put into Schoology just to kind of walk students through it because you don't know if they're fully paying attention during class or whether they fell back asleep or whether they went to get some breakfast or whether, who knows, they're driving to Walgreens and they've logged into class. I don't know. But at least this way, you have a little extra layer of support for the students, okay? And I simply just walk them through it. I click on the assignment. I talk through it. I go ahead and click on any links that I have here. On this particular assignment, I've made a tutorial so they can actually click on that. It's going to open up in my YouTube channel, and they're able to watch exactly how to do that particular assignment, which is really good to reinforce instruction and reinforce the directions and expectations of what you want for that particular assignment. When you are all finished, you're simply going to click down here to stop sharing, just like you do when you're done sharing your screen with Teams. And then it's going to open up a new window for you. And these are the final steps. This is the part that I love the most because it's so fast. Number one, you can click to unmute right here, and then you can listen to your presentation. If you don't like it, you can simply delete it and move on and do it again, okay? However, if you're good with it, then what you're going to do is you're going to change the title by clicking up here in the title. And this is the trash can here, right here, if you want to get rid of it. Click in the title, type in the new title. So I went ahead and typed in a new title right here. Not very original. Type your title here. Great. And then you have the option over here to share. And you have all these options right here. You can publish to YouTube. You can send it in an email. You can share it to Google Classroom. And I'll show you these other options a little bit later. My first preference and choice, because it's quick and fast and it's easy to share the link, is to publish it to YouTube. It's just me. I'm not putting any students out there. So it's just me rambling about the assignment. Okay. So when I click publish to YouTube right here, then I'm going to get this window to open up. And this is where I do my check. Make sure it is on the correct channel. Make sure it's unlisted. Make sure the title is correct. And if I want to add a description, I go ahead and do that. Once I'm good with that, then I click the upload button. And then it's going to upload. Depending on how long your video is, it might take a few seconds to upload. It might take a minute or so. You're going to get the success window, which is going to tell you it's been uploaded. But just because it's been uploaded doesn't mean that it's ready to go. So you will know after about 2 minutes that the video is ready to go. But in the meantime, you can click copy the link if you want to go ahead and get that link copied, or you can click view on YouTube. And so if you view on YouTube, it's going to come up in your video choices right here. Okay. And then you have the option then to click the get shareable link right here. And then you can paste that link into Schoology. You can paste that link into a chat. You can put that link in Teams. You can put that link in PowerSchool. You can put that link in an email, whatever you want to do with that particular link. Okay. Now, the one thing that I like to do is I like to add and make, as you notice, I like to make the thumbnail of my videos prettier, okay? So I'm going to click on this one right here, and I'm going to edit my video right here. This one is what I did, a breathing exercise assessment tutorial. And I simply clicked on the pencil. You saw me do that. Let's do it again. So I clicked here on the pencil so I can edit it. And I'm going to click here on upload my thumbnail, okay? But before I do that, I want to create a thumbnail. So I go over here and I've already got one ready to go. This is the one thing that I like about PowerPoint Online is if I click on design, then the designer is going to give me some options of what I want my screen to look like or my thumbnail to look like. It's just an instant way to create something different than just the basic PowerPoint stuff that you see, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one right here. And I simply just do a screenshot of that, which turns it into an image and saves it in a specific folder that I have designed for that. And then I go back to my YouTube, I click upload, and then I go into the folder, which is my screenshots, and I pick that particular image that I found or created. Well, actually PowerPoint created it. And then I click save. Sometimes I've run into the problem of this. See this right here? It didn't save. But if I refresh, I'm going to get that particular image on my video. So now that's going to be the thumbnail for my video, right? And I've done that with all of mine. And then what I've done is I've created playlists in my YouTube channel so that I can go quickly to different things that I have saved. It just organizing this has made my life so much better. Okay. So with that being said, that's how I use Screencastify with my classes. Sometimes my videos are super short and sometimes they're a little bit longer. It just depends. But hopefully you might try Screencastify and maybe it'll make a little difference in your life. Thanks for watching.